Hey guys, I wanted to put you onto this as soon as possible. Everybody who's got, starting a business online, who has got a business online, knows that videos are very important. And I've got the latest. Wanted to give you guys the latest in video software out there. It's called Vidgeos. We'll get to that in a minute, but as I say, the next generation in video marketing technology, enabling its users to create amazing smart videos. Now guys, I will leave a link below for this, and what I'll do is I will leave a link. It'll be my email address. If you click on that, you will have access, you will have links to 10 free survival, nifty little survival tools, okay? I'll quickly run through those. Now, I think 3 of them are from the same company, so you could, if you pick those, you can get combined shipping because they're free. All you have to do is pay shipping. So let's go through. Like I say, I'll leave a link below for that. It'll be my email address below. Just click on that and you'll have access to these. You can buy, you can get one of, pick one that's free, and like I say, just, pay for shipping. Or you can get the whole lot and just pay for shipping. Okay, so let's have a look. You can have a free gun t-shirt, okay? Fight for your Second Amendment rights with their exclusive iPack t-shirt, okay? I'll have a link for that. What's called the rescue card, the ultimate all-in-one wallet tool. So this goes into your wallet. You've got all sorts of bits and pieces. There's openers and rulers. You've got parachute equipment. Thirdly, you've got, this is called your free survival grenade. 15 must-have items on that one. So let's have a look if we can. There we go. So, as you can see, free. You have got paracord, alcohol pep pad, scalpel, carabiner, fishing hooks, fishing floats, fishing weights, 2 safety pins, aluminium foil, wire, tinder, fire starter, needle, fishing line, and jigs. Okay, all that for free. So you will have access to an armor, 1 RFID blocker. Okay, you will have access to 1 free tactical black karambit knife. You will have access to excuse me, free Everstrike match. Okay, I'll play you a tiny bit of the video. I don't know, but I don't want to go get what do you call it? Copyright. Pay for shipping insurance. Okay, I'll show you this and then we'll. So I don't want to get a copyright. So there's that. Oops. Where are we? You can get a waterproof lighter, guys. Okay. You can get this indestructible high beam aircraft aluminium micro flashlight. I'll play a tiny bit of this. Look at that. in the boiling water, in the ice. There you go. You will have, what number are we up to? Knife card. That folds into a card. That whole knife folds into a card, and you can put that in your wallet. Don't think we've got any. What do we actually got? Free high beam. Oh, and a tactical flashlight with zoom, guys. So I will put links to all those below. Now let's get back to, if I haven't lost my place, video. Now it's got some amazing things here, and I'll put a link below for this, and you can actually come and watch the I've just sent an email off to the creators of this to see if I can upload the demo, but in the meantime you guys can come and if you go and see it yourself, get ready to create and host customized captivating videos with just a few clicks, drags and drops. Okay, now I'm just checking that my mic's working. I've done up to hour videos, and at the end realized I wasn't had no audio. Not good. Now you won't do this with this package. Video creation made easy, marketing calls to action, market globally, no limits, free editing and publishing. That's some of the awesome stuff. We'll have a quick look at this. I don't think I'll be in danger of copyright, but I'll just turn off the sound if I can. But very professional looking videos, guys. I'll tell you about that in a minute, that watch thing, time thing. Okay, now now this is all a one-off payment too, guys. One-off payment. You can create your own business making videos. You don't have to pay monthly. It's a one-off payment. I think it's about $60. So I mean, you know, $60 and you basically got your own business. Yeah, people don't, sort of skip over words. Most people, not everybody. Take a look at it. What do you see? Engaging videos on every single page. So basically everybody uses engaging videos, but not all videos convert for your business. Check out the video creation tool that's sweeping the market. Vidgeos, video creation, animation and hosting tool. Never hire another video creator. Professional videos in minutes. Smart elements engage your audience. Designed by marketers, for marketers, fully Mac and PC compatible, guys. Intelligent animated pro marketing videos aren't easy to make, are they? So you've got the demos there. Build a bigger and better business. Here's how Vidgeos is going to help. Global marketing, email marketing, affiliate marketing, sell your videos, funnel upsell videos, instant video publishing, interactive and live videos, guys. Videos that sell. Now, one amazing thing this does is it eliminates language barrier. Amazingly enough, once you create your video, guys, you put it up on YouTube or whatever, if somebody in Russia wants to, finds it and wants to look at it, it will automatically be translated into Russia. Now, or Russian, or whatever language. Now, this is another thing I like. Get ready to take your videos to the next level with Vidgeos smart elements, okay? Amazingly, if you put a video up, okay, grab attention using the trick, back in the days. Set your videos to display the date, time, or city your viewer is in. Okay? Let's have a look here. Automatic text translation. Okay? Language is no longer a barrier thanks to our smart video technology. Automatically to text the language of the country the viewer is watching it from and automatically translate the text in real time. How amazing is that? Real-time translates over 60 languages. They'll be all the main ones, probably. Automatic language translation. Okay, so let's press on here. I like that one where automatically detects the time, or you can set it. I think that you set it to whatever your country in, or does it do it automatically? Grab attention, use a trick. Bang on, set your videos to display the time, date, or city your viewer is in. So, say America, you can switch it to the time of, in America or wherever. I'm pretty sure it'll do it automatically, but don't quote me on that, okay? But that's a handy little thing to have in your video. Very, very handy. Easy to use single click customizations. Have you up and running in minutes. Single click animations. Customizable live calls to action. Automatic text translations. Dozens of included slide templates. Sleek video player design. An intuitive point click drag and drop interface. There it is, guys. That's inside it. It's sort of nice and colourful. I'll try and get the demo up. It's not going to be in this video, but maybe the next one. But anyway, in the meantime, you guys can just click on my link below and go and have a look at the demo yourself. I think you'll be impressed. You can do voiceover recording and audio editing. No need to create multiple videos in different languages. Videos automatically translate the text language. International audience. Display the viewer's name. You can even display the viewer's name, guys. Connect directly with each email subscriber in a truly personal. So, say you've got an email list, and you can just put that the name on your video. That's nifty. Integrates seamlessly with Amazon S3. Integrates with Usign. An entire suite for your video marketing needs is right here. Smart Elements, VoiceOver, 24, one-click pro animations, seamless S3 integration, sleek video player, marketing calls to action, user-friendly interface. And these guys are impressed. Super excited for this. Revolutionary. Not only has it got every feature you could want to create stunning, but the built-in geo-targeting features. Let's get rid of this. Where are we? The automatic language translation and the live timers. Language translation and interaction make it the most valuable and useful video tool to come to the market in years. And don't forget, guys, it's a one-off payment. None of this every month. I always wanted to, I think they've changed their name now. It used to be called Content Samurai. I always wanted to join them, but I was put off by the monthly fee. So I think it's very wise of these companies now to come out with a one-off payment. Especially like the time of recording this, we're all in lockdown and people are losing their jobs. So people may be able to afford a one-off payment rather than monthly. Okay, sign up and split test a Vidgeos video against your boring slide presentation. Today you have the opportunity to get access to Vidgeos for a small one-time fee. Create your first video and split test it, okay? One-time payment, Facebook only offer. One-time payment, no monthly fees. Go ahead and set your discounted copy. So, I'll put the link below, guys. And like I say, I'll also put the link below for those free, which will be my email. You click on my email and you'll have access to the whole 10 of those survival tools, or for free, just pay shipping, or you can just pick one or two, whichever ones you'd like.